Greetings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a soup which is good for the cold time here in the UK. Get a bit of oil in the pan. Don't need much, just a bit of oil. Set the pot back on. Some celery. Bit of leeks. I'm gonna add some carrots. Add some chicken to it. Turn the gas up a bit. Season. Bit of all-purpose. Adding some thyme. And of course some black pepper. Adding some spring onion. Now I'm going to add some boiling water just to bring it to a boil. You can use any vegetable as desired, but today I'm just using just basic celery, some spring onion, you know, and chicken. Bring it to a boil. I'm gonna add a chicken noodle to it. This will enhance the flavor a bit, give it a bit of taste. I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer. This probably take about the chicken will take about 80 minutes to cook thoroughly through, but I want to get the flavor, so it might take about 25 minutes to half an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Now it's time to reveal the merchandise. Let me know if you're ready. Have a look at this. Seeing that? Gas off. Now what I'm gonna do now, everyone, you can do whatever work for you. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lock in some more ingredients. Like inside here, you have a bit of chili, garlic. Underneath here, some spring onion. So I'm gonna put it in. But you don't have to do it this way, but that's my way of doing it. Now, this is the moment of truth. Put a piece of chicken in. Look at that. Doesn't get any better than this. That's my homemade chicken and vegetable soup. Bit of pumpkin, carrot, garlic, spring onion, thyme, seasoned some all-purpose, some chicken noodle, bit of paprika. There you go, look at it, guys. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Peace be unto you.